our current postdocs. Dr. Evelyn Sanchez Hernandez, she's a postdoc associate in Linda Bradley's lab, and she's also going a representative from our postdoc training advisory group, or PTAG. And then Dr. Zinia D'Souza, she is a postdoc associate in Dr. Freeze's lab, and she's going to talk to you about our postdoc association, the SBP Science Network. So I'll turn it over to Evelyn and Zinia, and I will give you both, I will give Evelyn control if she needs it. Evelyn, are you good? You need to unmute.
Hello. Can you hear me? For some reason, I do not have control of the slides. Nisha, thank you, Nisha. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. As Nisha mentioned, I am Evelyn Sanchez Hernandez, and I am a second-year postdoc in Linda Bradley's lab. And I am also part of PTAG, which stands for the Postdoctoral Training Advisory Group. And our goal is to collaborate with ODs, faculty, and leadership here at SBP. And also our goal is to develop training strategies and a training environment that continues to evolve with the Institute. So we're trying to enhance our training experience as postdocs here at SBP. And also PTAG is an official Institute advisory body. And some of the things that PTAG has been working on with postdocs and people here from SBP is to create the white paper initiative, also to do commitment to mentoring documents so that postdocs are able to receive mentoring from faculty members. And also there's also an institute-wide seminar series in conjunction with faculty where postdocs and faculty members are able to present their research to the Institute. And also we have fellows are able to receive retirement benefit supplements. Also, we are able to accrue vacation and sick leave, which is something that we didn't have before. And there's also a salary increase depending on the year of experience of postdocs. So this is something that changes for postdocs when they start from their first year and so on. And there's also better benefits for postdoc fellows. And all of this has been thanks to PTAG that has been working on these initiatives to enhance our postdoctoral training here. And in addition to that, we are able to recognize faculty members who are doing an exceptional job in training students. And here we can see that last year, Alicia Lorente, which is a postdoc here, she was presenting the award to our distinguished faculty member, Dr. Where is his name? He received the award last year, Dr. Alexander Collas, and also this is done every year where postdocs and other members from SVP are able to nominate who is going to be the mentor of the year. And so every year these nominations occur. And here's our PTAG members. So there is 6 postdocs, and there is Dr. Linda Bradley, Nisha, and Nicole, who we all meet once a month to talk about how we can improve our training here at SBP. And with that, I think Zinia can start talking about her program.
Do I have slide control?
Just hold on one second. Zinia, you should have it.
No.
Okay, I'll just advance it.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Hi, everyone. So I'm here to talk about SBP-SN, which stands for Sanford Burnham Prebys Science Network. This is a volunteer-run organization. It's made up of 3 co-chairs that are postdocs. We cater mostly to the to postdocs, but we open up the meetings to grad students and staff scientists and anyone really who's interested in working with us. It is entirely volunteer-run, and the mission is to enhance the training experience, particularly for postdocs and graduate students, by offering educational opportunities as well as networking opportunities for overall professional growth within Sanford Burnham Prebys and within the Torrey Pines Mesa as well. We meet once a month as a group, and we open this up, as I said, to postdocs, graduate students, and scientists. We do have a LinkedIn page where we post our updates, and I would encourage you all to follow us on LinkedIn. Nisha, can you please move to the next slide? So yeah, essentially, as I said, we have 3 co-chairs, myself, Tanya, and Kokila. The co-chairs typically serve for 1 year, and after the 1-year tenure, we replace them with another co-chair. And essentially, we have monthly events such as breakfast clubs, industry site visits, and happy hours on the fun side. The happy hours are happy hours within the institute, as well as we also collaborate with other postdoctoral institutes. So we have the SOC, Institute, Scripps, UCSD, and LJI, which stands for La Jolla Institute of Immunology. So these 4 institutes come together, and the postdocs do happy hours. These don't happen monthly, but they happen once every 3 to 4 months. And this is an excellent opportunity to collaborate not just with the postdocs within your institute, but to meet postdocs from other institutes as well. And these are some fun pictures that we have of the events that we've had. One more slide. Next slide, please, Nisha. So annually, we do some big events. The major ones that we do annually are the Career Day. You can see the picture on the right. This was the picture from our most recent 2025 Career Day. This was our lunch roundtables, where we seated postdocs and graduate students attending the event with professionals from from a variety of professionals. And these were essentially people who are working within San Diego that attended the event. And this was an excellent opportunity to sit down with people in careers that you are interested in and talk to them about how they got to where they are. We also had an outreach symposium this year. We have Family Day coming up next month. We do have a biomedical research symposium that we collaborate with Otis for that one. On the fun side, we do the Halloween party every year that is in collaboration with SOC, and the holiday party, which happens in December every year. So we have a mix of both professional events as well as fun events within the institute. Next slide, please, Nisha. Oh, there was one slide about I was going to talk about the Biomedical Research Symposium. So essentially, this year's Biomedical Research Symposium is going to happen in September. And again, this is an opportunity for postdocs and graduate students to present their work, to give poster presentations as well as podium presentations. And one thing I want to highlight about this is that leading up to the symposium, Otis actually works with you in order for you to prepare your slides and deliver your presentation. So through this organization, essentially, you do have the opportunity to develop professional skills, communication skills, as well as have fun through the happy hours. Thank you, Nisha.